Okay, this is wild. There's one Claude skill, free, official, ships with Claude, that does what a $400,000 Wall Street equity analyst does for a living, and Reddit cannot shut up about it. I'm going to show you exactly what it built, what it concluded, and how the answer broke me a little. It's called xlsx. Yeah, boring name, world changing skill. Built by Anthropic, built into Claude, open source. You already have it. Three things this skill does. 1. It builds real Excel files with live formulas across multiple tabs with real charts. 2. It can also read your spreadsheets and answer questions about them. 3. It runs inside Claude Code, which means it's agentic, citable, auditable. This is the part that matters. Every formula it writes, you can check. Quick 3-step install for any Claude skill. Pause if you need to. Step 1. Open Claude Code in your terminal. Just type Claude. Step 2. To add a community skill, you type /plugin marketplace add, then the skill's path. Step 3. Invoke it with a / command or just ask in plain English. That's it. That works for every community skill on the marketplace. Lucky for you, xlsx is built in. No marketplace, no setup. Just open Claude Code and ask. Watch this. One natural language ask. I told Claude, use the xlsx skill, build me a 3-tab equity research model for NVDA, DCF, comps versus AMD and Broadcom, and Intel and TSM, sensitivity table, output the recommendation. That's it. The skill takes over. Watch what happens. Claude is running tools, building sheets, writing formulas, and then it does something I did not expect. It catches a bug in its own logic. It pauses, and it says, the math contradicts the buy rating I hard-coded. Let me tune the assumptions to a defensible setup. It corrected itself. Mid-build. That's the moment I knew this was different. Here's what it actually built. Tab 1. A full DCF valuation, 5-year forecast, WACC build, 8x8 sensitivity grid, 211 formulas, 0 errors. Tab 2. Trading comparables, AMD, Broadcom, Intel, TSM, full peer multiples, blended implied price, 141. Tab 3. The recommendation, with bull case, bear case, key risk, catalyst, all dynamic, all sourced. And here's the verdict. Rating, sell. 12-month price target, 120. DCF says 108. Comps say 141. Blended target 124 against a current price of 138. That's a 10 to 15% downside. Bull case acknowledged. Bear case quantified. Risks named. Catalyst dated. This is what an institutional research note looks like. Claude wrote it in 4 minutes. Now here is where it gets interesting. I went and pulled what Wall Street is saying right now. 58 analysts cover NVIDIA. 67% rated buy. Average 12-month target, $1,180. Claude said sell. With math. With receipts. No echo chamber. I did not prompt it to be contrarian. The skill just did its job. 99% less work, and this part I want you to sit with. Claude was the one willing to call sell when 58 Wall Street analysts wouldn't. 4 minutes versus 3 weeks. If xlsx isn't your edge, there are other skills you should know about. Claude Equity Research Plugin by Quant Sentiment AI, the Reddit built one. Tradermonty's trading skills, 40 plus screeners. Staskh's options skills, Greeks, Condors, Yahoo Finance Live. And Indian trading skills for NSE and BSE. Pick your edge, they're all linked below. And here is the uncomfortable part. If a free skill calls sell when 58 analysts won't, what does that mean for the people who get paid $400,000 a year to not call sell? The same skill that ran my analysis could end 100,000 finance jobs. Junior analysts go first. Goldman froze 35% of analyst hiring in February. The seats aren't being fired, they're just not being hired. 3 places this skill still fails and where you still win. 1. Real-time data. Claude doesn't see today's prices, you do. 2. Hallucinated numbers. It's wrong sometimes, always confident, always side check. 3. Conviction. Matching consensus is not alpha, you make the call. And this is just one Claude skill out of 12. Next week, I build my own with skill creator. If that sounds interesting, subscribe, don't miss it. Skill link in description. Use mine or build your own. Either way, this is the start of something.